don't think Amos liked that. You gotta be nice. There you go. Remember how we pet Amos? How do we pet Amos? Nice. Very nice.
Nice.
Thank you, Amos. Can you sit down?
Yeah.
There you go.
Amos.
That's so nice.
No. No, Jake.
That's no.
No.
That's right. Noah, Jake, and Trevor. Good job. Do you want to let them out? They look kind of pitiful in there.
A, B, C, D, Soapy, Soapy.
The doggies. See? She's looking at the camera screen on the other side.
Sorry, see.
There's no Soapy there. There's just Noah, Jakey, and Trevor.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. I'm going to let them out.